Hey folks, this is Chris with Western Harmonics and a quick video about the 18-inch solar powered fan and its availability. So I want to give you kind of a close-up shot of the fan itself running, get an idea of, maybe you can hear the wind, I don't know if you can. It is configured where the motor, if you notice, is not sealed. So I'm going to go ahead and click this off. It's a plug-and-play system. So what I've got going on at the moment, I have this with a 10-foot extension cord. We do ship this with a 30-foot cord. The cord is just a standard barrel connector 2.1 by 5.5 mil. Plugs into the fan. It has 2 speeds. And anyway, I'll just plug this back in and turn it on. But the thing is, three-fin blade. This has a really good profile for moving air in a distance where, in a sense where you have the air going in kind of a laminar flow where it's going out at a distance. It is an indoor fan. Outdoor performance on this fan is not as strong as it will be indoors. It's hyper efficient. 1 amp at 12 volts. Well, you can tell by the size of the panel. It's pretty small. The panel is 22 by 14 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. This will be the low speed setting. And maybe you can see this a little better on the camera if I kind of come around to the front. And this is the high speed setting. It's going to kind of spool up, get up to full speed. So, where we're sitting with these is I desperately want to get these out to customers for use this year. For the folks that have contacted me regarding greenhouse usage, I really think this is a great configuration for what you're considering doing as well. For the folks that have contacted me regarding stalls, like if you have a horse stall or you've got some sort of a enclosed structure where you may have your horse, this is a good air mover for that situation. For the folks that have contacted me regarding outdoor usage for livestock, one of the reasons I kind of came around to the back of the fan was to show you that the motor itself is not completely sealed. Now, I do have a version of this that is weatherproof and features a larger blade to kind of compensate for the outdoor air movement. It's a different unit number, and if you look on the website, you'll see that that one is actually listed on there as out of stock as well. And there's a couple of reasons for that, because some of the components that go in between these two fans are basically shared. The outdoor model is not going to run on such a small panel, namely because of the fact that we have to move a lot of air. So there is a bit of a difference in that system. But this particular system, I think, is great for just everything I've covered, but also residential uses. I've logged probably, goodness, I'm going to say at least 1,400 hours on this. I've run and run and run this fan. In fact, I had to clean it before I did this video because it was really dirty. It's proved out in terms of durability, and I want to move this forward. For everybody that's been contacting me about this particular fan, please watch the following. I'm making this available for pre-order with $1 down through the website. Please see the page regarding this fan at the link below. If you have any questions, please feel free to email products@westernharmonics.com. My name is Chris, and I really appreciate you watching the video. And there you are, 18-inch solar powered fan.